3.5 years for a gun charge. Hey Matt, so I was just checking out online news and I saw that a former NBA player just got 3.5 years imprisonment in New York because he had weapons in his vehicle when he was pulled over. And the real kicker is, he had a valid gun license in the state of Florida. How is he going to spend the next 3.5 years in jail in New York?
So the great thing about gun licenses, one, they're pretty easy to get, but more importantly, some of them actually have reciprocity. The problem is, states like New York, Illinois, they don't have reciprocity with very many, if at all, states.
Okay, hold on a second. Matt's super smart. He's using real fancy words like reciprocity. Break it down for me. What does the reciprocity mean?
Basically, let's use Indiana as an example. And I know you do, we both have our license to carry a handgun, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
If we were to go in any surrounding state, except for Illinois, our license to carry would be recognized. Basically, reciprocity is recognition of a different state's license to carry a handgun.
So wait. You're trying to tell me that you and I, with our handgun license, we can have a gun in our vehicle. We can go to Ohio, we're fine.
Correct.
Michigan, we're fine.
Yes.
Kentucky, we're fine.
Yes.
We go to Illinois and we're not fine?
Correct. You cannot carry a gun in Illinois. Cook County actually is the home of Chicago. I grew up there. They have one of the strongest gun restrictions in the entire state. You're actually not allowed to own a firearm unless you're law enforcement or you get special permits in Chicago. So you actually have to have what's called a FOID card to even carry a gun, legally transport it in Illinois. Now you can still have it locked up if you're going through the state, but you could still get in trouble for that. So you gotta be really careful. And this is where the NBA player got in trouble. It's not a defense to not know a different state's gun laws if you're trying to carry through that state.
Are you trying to tell me that ignorance isn't an excuse?
100% not an excuse.
Is it at least a mitigator? He tried to be in compliance? I mean, he had a Florida gun license? It just seems so insane, 3.5 years.
I think that's why he got 3.5 years. He was facing a maximum of 15 years on this case. So I want to say it's a mitigator. Granted, I wasn't there. I didn't get a chance to watch the videos. I know there's videos of sentencing. I know he was really remorseful. He's got young children that he was hoping wouldn't be affected by this. New York's got some harsh laws. As far as I can tell, they got some harsh laws. It looks like he was facing at least a minimum of 3.5 years.
If somebody has a valid gun license in their state and they're trying to travel across state borders, what's some stuff that they can do?
They can actually get online. They can figure out what the gun laws are in that state. There's actually an app. I have it. It's called the CCW, Concealed Carry Weapon app. It's not 100% up to date. They do pretty good doing updates. That's what I have, just to double check where my gun license is actually recognized. So my wife's family actually lives down in Tennessee. I can travel from Indiana to Tennessee with no problems. If I go up and where my family was in Illinois, big problems.
That is wild.
It's crazy, and it really puts people at a disadvantage. And we're seeing that right now with the NBA player doing 3.5 years for it.
Most counties in Indiana treat gun crimes very harshly. If you have any questions or concerns, give us a call, 317-632-3642. And remember, always plead the fifth.